Design-wise, not much has changed from the last generation. The OnePlus 11 has a curved back panel featuring the same triple camera plus LED flash setup on the camera island that is fused to the edge of the device. However, the brand has opted to go with a round camera island this time around rather than a square one. The front panel is flat on the OnePlus 11 as opposed to the curved display that has been the staple of a OnePlus flagship for multiple generations now. The bezels on the device are super slim, and the alert slider is present on the right edge along with the power button. The top left of the display features a small punch hole for the front camera. Coming down to the specifications, the display is said to be a 6.7-inch E4 AMOLED screen with a 2K 3216 x 1440 pixel resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The choice of an E4 AMOLED rather than more cutting-edge options could be an indication that the brand is trying lower the cost of the device. Under the hood, there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip powering the device. The chipset will include the Adreno 740 GPU, which has demonstrated significant improvements over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chips that powered the OnePlus 10 Pro. To further bump up the gaming performance, OnePlus has confirmed that it will be integrating the device with its self-developed Super Graphics engine, which allows for high frame rates and native image quality. This is made possible with the aid of a specialized rendering processor, software algorithms, game development engines, and other software and hardware synergies. According to the company, the phone would give up to 120 feet with the optimization, regardless of the frame rate that the original game supports. The OnePlus 11 is said to retain an average frame rate of 119.8 FPS and a maximum temperature of no more than 43 degrees after an hour of League of Legends mobile play. The OnePlus flagship will include LPDDR RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. There will be 3 different models available: 12 GB plus 256 GB, 16 GB plus 256 GB, and 16 GB plus 512 GB. The smartphone will have a 5000 mAh battery with 100 watts fast charging capacity. It will come with a charging brick and a protective case included in the box. Hasselblad has made modifications to the OnePlus 11 triple rear camera setup. The main camera on the OnePlus flagship will be a 50MP shooter with a Sony IMX890 sensor. A 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 32MP telephoto camera will be attached to it. Selfies and video calls may be taken with the device's 16MP front camera. The OnePlus 11 comes in 2 color options, green and black. It will weigh 205 grams and come with ColorOS 13.0, an Android 13 base operating system, pre-installed. The OnePlus 11 will boast Corning Gorilla Glass protection and I54 certification. Last but not the least, it will utilize the AC technology-developed bionic vibration sensor motor. OnePlus claims that this will be the most powerful and largest vibration motor in an Android phone, with a volume greater than 600 mm3.